Alright guys, so why are we here this late? So one of the cool things here about the Bluewaters, they have a fire show every day. Current time right now, they have it for December is 9:30. So every night, 9:30, they have fireworks here. So we got about 45 minutes or so. About 30 minutes left actually, 30 minutes left till the fireworks. It's our first time here, so we'll see what it looks like. So we'll show it to you here in just a few seconds. And that's one of the cool things about Dubai. They have multiple fireworks throughout the city. So easy Googling it or going to the homepage of the places will tell you where to go and what time. Right, Marwa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grandma teeth.
Marwa's got grandma teeth. Mariam, how was that?
Good.
That was crazy good. Marwa, how was that?
Good, super good.
Good. How was that, Sito? How was the firework?
I.
Why?
Crazy.
Crazy good.
I.
Sarah, what do you think?
Damn, amazing.
Amazing?
For my birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Happy birthday, Annie. You happy? Yeah.